cottage cheese, potato, chickpea flour fried fritters, or cottage cheese, potato, garbanzo beans flour fried fritters. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the cheese recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the potato recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the garbanzo beans recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the chickpea recipes and one of the most delicious of the street food recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the evening snacks recipes and one of the most different of the paneer recipes. It's also called Paneer Aloo Pakoda. Today we're going to make cottage cheese, potato, chickpea flour fried fritters. We have taken one potato and peeled and cut into pieces. Put in the potatoes into the pressure cooker. Put in salt to taste. Put in 5 to 10 grams of fennel seeds. Pour in around 250 ml of water. Mix and let this mixture cook for 10 to 12 minutes in the pressure cooker. Next ingredients are around 100 grams of cottage cheese or paneer, cleaned. Crush the cottage cheese into small bits using the hand. Do this until all of the cottage cheese has been crushed. Put in the potatoes, and we have cooked the potatoes. Now mix and crush the potatoes and mix with the cottage cheese that we crushed earlier. Thoroughly crush and mash the potatoes. Put in the onion pieces and the tomatoes. We've taken one onion and cut into small pieces and one tomato. Mix in the tomato and the onion. Thoroughly mix. put in ginger garlic paste with fennel and red chili ground together. Mix thoroughly in the mixture. Thoroughly mix. Put in salt to taste. Mix. Put in the chickpea flour, around 100 to 150 grams. Now put in a spoon of corn flour. Pour in 75 to 100 ml of water, little by little. Mix. Mix thoroughly. Until the mixture is nicely mixed. Heat the pan and pour in 40 to 50 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Now put in the cottage cheese potato chickpea mixture into the oil. Let it fry. tomato and let it fry. Keep on turning from side to side until golden brown. Now the fritters are nice golden brown. These can be taken off the pan and onto the plate. Do this with the rest of the batter until all the batter is nicely made into fritters. This is the final cottage cheese, potato, chickpea flour fried fritters. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the cottage cheese recipes and one of the most delicious of the street food recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the potato recipes and one of the most unique of the Garbanzo Beans recipes and one of the most delicious of the chickpea recipes, one of the most unique of the fritter recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button. It's also called Paneer Aloo Pakoda.